Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something a little bit different here in the box. And there's my buddy Schrody. He's got to be part of the video. Today I got something a little bit different in the box to show you guys. It is a watch that I've been interested in for quite a while. I've seen it a few times, and I finally just decided to go ahead and pick one up and do a review on it. And I'm actually pretty pleased with it. But before I get started on that, I just wanted to shout out to all my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate all of your interaction with the channel, all the liking, subscribing, and everything. It really does help the channel grow, and I could not appreciate you guys more. If you are new to the channel, I am Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. Always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into what we have in the box today. Today, like I said, it's a watch that I've been looking at for a little while here. It's called a Sterling. They've got quite a few nice designs, and they've really struck me. So I really just had to pick one up and do a review on it. But here we go. It's got a nice presentation box. It does come with a cleaning cloth. It's packaged very well on a leather pillow pad, and it does have the instruction manual and the warranty card as well in the box. This is the Sterling Depthmaster 883HL. Let's get this package, let's get this plastic off of it so that we can get a really good look at it. I really only took just a quick look at this thing before I decided to start doing the video on it. But honestly, guys, I'm extremely impressed by this watch. It is a very nice dive watch with a really nice tight bezel, which does not have any back plate in it at all. It's a very nice tight bezel. This is a stainless steel case. It does have a Swiss automatic movement. You can see the sweeping second hand there. And the thing that I like the most about this watch is I really do love that that dial with the shiny texture to it, that satin silky look to it. It's really nice. I really like that. This thing has, like I said, it's a Swiss automatic movement. It has a what Sterling calls a Cristerna crystal, which is somewhere halfway between a sapphire and a mineral crystal. So you get really good scratch resistance on this, on the crystal here. It does have the screw down crown, and it is the date format. Like I said, it is an automatic movement. So it is, a self-winding automatic movement. It does have, once again, these beautiful exhibition cases. I love the exhibition cases with that counterweight back there. It is a really nice watch, and believe it or not, with all these specs, the 200 meters of water resistant, the exhibition crystal, the screw down case back, the screw down crown, and the extra scratch resistance on the Cristerna crystal, just everything that it comes with. This watch is somewhere in the neighborhood of about $200 right now on Amazon. So if you want to head on over and use that affiliate link and check it out, you can pick this watch up for somewhere in the neighborhood of $200. And that's a really good price for a watch like this. I mean, it has a really nice bracelet, nice and tight bracelet on this thing. And it's got the milled trifold clasp, which has the logo on the outside of the clasp, with the side button releases. Really nice watch, nicely built. It kind of reminds me of a steel dive, in as far as the weight is concerned. But I do think that the bezel is a lot it's a nice tight bezel, but it's a smooth feeling bezel. It really feels nice. But the colors all work really, really great on this watch. I do love that turquoise dial, especially with that satiny finish on it. Really, really nice watch all around. Like I said, Swiss automatic, Depthmaster 883 HL, with the Swiss automatic movement, unidirectional bezel, 200 meters of water resistance, so you don't have to worry about it when you're going swimming. It is just a very wonderful watch. Now, it does say that it's a professional diver. I don't know if that means that it's ISO certified at 200, but it possibly could be. It's just, in my opinion, on looks alone, this watch is really, really great, and I think you get a really good watch for the price on this thing. So I will be posting a link to this in the description below, so you guys can head on over and check it out. And if you do use that affiliate link, like I said, it doesn't change the price for you guys. You guys pay what it is. The only difference is it does send a small commission over to me, and that is really helpful and much appreciated if you do that. But other than that, I mean, I'm going to have to give this Sterling company a thumbs up. I really do think this is a great watch, especially for the price. You're talking about $200 and you can have a really, really nice dive watch. It's really sharp looking. It comes in many different colors, many different dial colors and bezel combinations. So just head on over and check it out on Amazon. I will post a link to that in the description below. And once again, if you are not a subscriber, I would appreciate that thumbs up and liking and any comments you may have about this watch. And if you are a subscriber and you want to support the channel in real time, you can always join as a member. See what membership options we do have available by clicking down below. And if you want to send out a super thanks, you can also click on that over there in the lower corner of your screen. But aside from that, really, really nice watch, guys. Like I said, I'm going to have to give Sterling a thumbs up on this one. It's a great watch for the price. Once again, it's the Sterling Depthmaster 883 HL Swiss automatic, unidirectional bezel, screw down crown, screw down exhibition case back, Cristerna crystal, and 200 meters of water resistance. So like I said, we'll be posting a link to this in the description below, so if you're interested, you can head on over and pick it up. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourself. So until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next watch review video. Thank you so much and have a great day.